And third, I would use a terminology from what I have learned from the startup industry, which is burgeoning every day, which is we call product-based marketing. So the future does not hold good for just making me too kind of products, like, and then using the power of marketing on television or using the power of marketing in different channels to kind of grow the business. I mean, we have been involved in lots of projects where we have worked with doctor engagement and patient engagement and stuffs like that. But I think these engagements will continue to erode in its value for the consumer. The only thing that will increase in value for the consumer is product innovation. So the more product innovation you do, the more you get closer to the problem, and the more you solve that problem, you're taking a long tail approach. Because as I said, everybody has the problem is not same for everybody. There is always a deviation. And the more accurately your problem statement and your solution fits to the problem statement, the more a person is interested in buying your product. So how you can actually do product-based innovation and actually make pharmaceutical industry something which normal people start understanding, right? Because then only it will have that kind of a usage. Because now people are intelligent. They will not just say that, okay, I will buy anything that you sell. Right now, they want to know more and more about things, right? I mean, I think during this whole pandemic, I was just having a hearty chat with one of my friend, and he said that during this pandemic, we all have understood what is pharmaceutical, right? So before this, मुझे पता नहीं था, तो मैंने बोला मैं IT industry से हूँ, I do not know what I will contribute to such a eminent panel. He said, no, we all can contribute to pharma industry discussion because now we have all become pharmacists in a way.